The following clip is from a previously recorded episode of the Cherish Each Moment podcast. The San Francisco Giants paid tribute to Willie Mays. This was a couple weeks ago, and they did a very, very well done custom lawn striping in the outfield of Willie Mays. And it says, "Say Hey 90" on the left, and it's got a caricature of him. Looks like he's just finished hitting a ball, and he's watching it fly on the right. Really, really cool. I'll put an image up on the YouTube channel for you to check that out. I thought this was really cool. I think it's really neat to see unique designs done in the lawn. I don't think most of this was done with a lawnmower. They have machines that blow air on the grass, and I imagine it was done with that, something like that. Anyways, I need to do a little more research to find out how this company does it. But it was done by a company called New Ground Technology. Their website is newgroundtechnology.com, and their portfolio is pretty awesome. They've got some really neat stuff. They did a really cool image of Kobe Bryant. I believe that was done a couple years ago. Fascinating to see what they've done. What they've done in grass. A lot of baseball field work. Pretty impressive. If you have a minute to just appreciate what they're doing, check out their website, newgroundtechnology.com, and then just go to the project gallery link on the homepage. Pretty cool. I love finding stuff like that. I think stuff like this is awesome. And yeah, it's not done with a lawnmower. At least the detailed design work and the detailed implementation of these designs is not done with a lawnmower. But regardless, it's art and it's grass, and I think that's awesome.